Good morning, students. I am Ajay Kumar Mishra from Arya College of Engineering and Information Technology. This is Radar and TV Engineering subject for EC 8 semester students. Today we will discuss about unit number 5. In this unit, we will discuss the topic of direct broadcast satellite television or DBS television. So this is another type of television system which will depend and based on the broadcast from the satellite. So let's start. In this unit number 5, the topic is DBS television. So this direct broadcast satellite television is located, we will discuss about it. Communications satellites located in geostationary orbit about the earth are used to send television signals directly to the homes of viewers, because it is direct broadcast satellite television. This form of transmission is known as direct broadcast satellite or DBS television. This DBS transmission is digital because only the digital signal can be transmitted so much of distance and can be transmitted towards the satellite and then received towards the ground stations or the receiver's end. Transmission occurs in the Ku band. That's a special kind of band which is located around 12 gigahertz, or we can say 12 billion cycles per second. This is a frequency, so it is in the radio frequency spectrum. This is a diagram of an earth station transmitter, which is an essential part of this type of television system. So here we can see the coding and modulation and conversion in a baseband of 1 gigahertz, where processor and software are installed to process all these signals. And then second section will come where amplification is being done and the intermediate frequency is then amplified and sends toward the third section where the signal is where the amplified signal of up to 81 to 86 gigahertz is going through the driver amplifier, and then it is transmitted towards the transmitting antenna. Transmitting antenna is TX. And also we can say that the signal is packed as per the DBS TV packet format. So the data is digital, or the signal is digital, so it is going in the format of data packets, and each packet is of size of 147 bits. We can see here that the first section comprises of 2 bytes, which contains flags, and second section is of 1 byte, which is a packet type continuity counter, and third one is 127 bytes. It contains actual data or the real data, which contains video, audio, and the control bits. And then it contains 17 bits, which is a type of error checking and redundance bits. Then the data is in digital form, so it requires a great space for the storage, so we have to use some compression techniques. Compression techniques are required to reduce the transmission rate to 2 to 4 million bits per second, but we have to take consideration that there should be no loss of data. So decoding of the signal is performed by a set-top converter box that is also connected to a telephone line. So all this are an essential part of this direct broadcast satellite TV system. And a DBS subscriber installation consists of a dish antenna 2 to 3 feet. These are all the components which we will require in a DBS TV system. So this dish antenna is 2 to 3 feet in diameter, a conventional TV set, a signal converter placed next to the TV set, and a length of coaxial cable in between dish and the converter. So this dish intercepts microwave signals directly from the satellite. Means the satellite transfers the signal and this dish receives that signals and converts the output that in a manner that can be viewed on the TV receiver. TBS TV is also favored by urban and suburban subscribers who are not satisfied with the quality or quantity of TV programming available on conventional cable, or we can say that where the services are not provided or not installed due to geostatical conditions or the distances and other problems. There DBS TV is very much good alternative and option because it will give direct broadcast from the broadcaster to the receiver. So there is no mediator, no cable line, or no other resources are being required. So basically the signal is coming from the satellite towards a dish and the dish is connected to the television. So it's very easy and cheaper, so it is very much favored in most of the areas. So in today's lecture we understood about the DBS TV receiver. So this is a DBS TV receiver block diagram where an outdoor unit will consist a low noise converter and it will give the signal towards the indoor unit where the amplifier, demodulator, oscillator and the down converter are installed, and this is a type of a set-top box which is connected to the TV receiver, which I have taught you in previous slide. So this is the thing why this DBS TV is much popular in the most of the areas. So in this lecture we have understood about the working and the advantages of DBS TV and why it is popular. So we will meet in next lecture. Till then, thank you.